everyone, welcome to Learn Pharma Pharmacy with AIMS. Today we are going to discuss about the Lewis acid-base theory. In 1923, G. N. Lewis proposed a new acid-base theory which is based on the transfer of electron. In Lewis acid-base theory, it is more advanced and flexible than the Bronsted-Lowry theory because it explains the acid-base behavior in that molecule which do not contain the hydrogen ions or in non-aqueous media. Means basically the Lewis acid theory will be depends on the electron. Before understanding the Lewis acid characteristics, we will see what is Lewis acid. According to this theory, an acid is a substance which has a capability to accept the non-bonding pair of electrons. Those are called as Lewis acids. These are sometimes referred as an electron deficient species or the electrophiles. The characteristics of the Lewis acid is Lewis acid is an electron pair acceptor. Lewis acid should have a vacant or empty orbital. Like all cations like sodium, copper and iron are the Lewis acid because they have capability to accept a pair of electrons, but all the Lewis acids are not cations. Some of the cations will behave as the Lewis acid, but all the Lewis acids are not cations. We'll take a ferric ion as an example. This ferric ion, that is a metal cation having a positive charge and as an empty orbital. Hence, this ferric ion behaves as acid and it is more strong acid compared to the sodium because sodium have only one positive charge compared to this ferric ion. Ferric ion will have 3 positive charges. So it is electron deficient. It can accept the electrons. Hence, these are called as the ion or the molecule or any atom which has an incomplete octet of electron or also act as a Lewis acid. For this statement, we will take an boron trifluoride as an example. The boron trifluoride, which consists of boron and 3 fluoride atoms. The boron is a central atom and it has a 6 electron in its valency shells. Being a short of preferred octet, the boron trifluoride is a very good Lewis acid and reacts with many Lewis bases. A fluoride ion is the Lewis base in this reaction, donating its lone pair of electrons with the boron to complete its octet structure of the boron. Hence, this boron trifluoride acts as a Lewis acid. The angle of this boron trifluoride is 120 degrees and have a trigonal planar structure. The molecule in which the central atom has more than 8 electrons, like silicon fluoride, silicon bromide, are also considered as a Lewis acid. Next, the molecule like carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide, etc., will also consider as a Lewis acid because these type of molecules form multiple bonds between the atoms of different electronegativity. In case of transition metal ions, the metal having the more electronegativity make the stronger Lewis acids. Electron 4-pi system is also considered as a Lewis acid. For example, H2 double bond CH plus will act as a Lewis acid because it is electron deficient. It can accept the electron. Lewis base is a substance which has a capability to donate the electrons called as Lewis base. They are sometimes referred as an electron-rich species or nucleophile. The basic characteristics of Lewis base: it is an electron pair donor. All metal anions are Lewis base because they have ability to donate the electron, but all the anions are not Lewis bases. All metal ions like fluorine, chloride, bromide, iodine are Lewis bases because they have ability to donate the electron. But all bases are not anions. All Lewis bases are not anions, but all the metal ions are Lewis bases. The ion, molecule or any atom which having a lone pair of electron are considered as a Lewis base. Any ion, molecule or the atom which have a lone pair of electron are also considered as a Lewis base. And the electron-rich pi system is also considered as a Lewis base. For example, benzene EB because it can donate a lone pair of electrons to a electron-deficient species. The strength of a Lewis base can be increased by increasing the electron density. We'll see an example. When Lewis acid, this is Lewis acid, reacts with a Lewis base and forms a bonding molecular orbit. For example, lowest unoccupied molecular orbit is considered as a Lewis acid, and it reacts with a Lewis base, that is highest occupied molecular orbit, to create a bonding molecular orbit is known as Lewis reaction. Actually, the Lewis acid and Lewis base both have a LUMO and HOMO. That is lowest unoccupied molecular orbit and highest occupied molecular orbit. But HOMO is considered as a base and LUMO is considered as an acid. We'll discuss a simple example for the Lewis acid base theory. We'll take a Na plus and Cl minus, which will form a NaCl salt. Here, the chloride ion acts as a Lewis base because it has a lone pair of electron, and sodium ion acts as a Lewis acid because it has a positive charge. The sodium ion and the chloride ion combines together form a NaCl, which is a salting form. We'll discuss a neutralization reaction between Lewis acid and Lewis base for better understanding. When Lewis acid, that is Ag+, reacts with a Lewis base, it will undergo Lewis acid-base reaction to form a Lewis acid-base adduct. For example, which molecule acts as a Lewis base donates its lone pair of electron to the Lewis acid, and the Lewis acid-base adduct will have a covalent coordinate bond between the Lewis acid and the Lewis base. This implies that the Lewis acid, the Ag+, will have a low electron density center when compared to the Lewis base, which has a high electron density centers. In this reaction, the ammonia molecule reacts with a silver ion. The ammonia has a lone pair of electron in nitrogen atom, so it has ability to donate its lone pair of electron to an Lewis acid, that is Ag silver ion. The positive charge of this silver denotes its electrophilic nature. That means it has ability to accept the pair of electrons and acts as a Lewis acid. By definition, we can understand that this ammonia can donate its lone pair of electron to this silver. The plus sign of the silver will indicate it is electron deficient, and the electrophilic compound is donating its lone pair of electron to an electron deficient atom, that is silver ion. Hence, it will form a covalent coordinate bond between the Lewis acid and the Lewis base. Hence, it can be denoted that when Lewis acid reacts with the Lewis base, there is no charge in the oxidation number of any of this atom. Limitations of Lewis acid-base theory. In this theory, it is not able to explain why all acid-base reactions do not involve the covalent coordinate bond. The theory cannot explain the concept that why the formation of coordination bonds is slow process and acid-base reaction is a fast process. The Lewis acid-base theory is unable to explain the behavior of some acids like hydrogen chloride, sulfuric acid, because they do not form the covalent coordinate bond with bases. Hence, they are not considered as a Lewis acid. The theory cannot explain the concept of relative strength of acid bases. Next, the theory fails to explain the catalytic activity of some acids. What is the relationship between the Lewis acid-base theory and Arrhenius theory? According all Arrhenius acid and Bronsted-Lowry acids are Lewis acid, but all Lewis acid are not Arrhenius and Bronsted-Lowry acids. That's it. Thank you everyone. Please like, share, subscribe for more videos.